Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can delete any sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, sometime we created a lot of sheet in the Excel and we want to delete any sheet in the Excel. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So let's start. So firstly, select the sheet which you want to delete. So after selecting the sheet, so just click the right side of mouse and here you can see delete option. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, this sheet will be deleted. So just confirm to delete. So you can see this sheet is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete any sheet in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.